Hi everyone. In previous session, I have explained about SQL, structured query language, and we have seen couple of concepts like DDL, DML, and DQL related information, and also I have explained about constraints, DB constraints. So in this video, I'll explain about SQL operations and SQL functions. So I'll explain practically in DB. Yeah. Here I am connecting to database. Okay, I have connected to database. Here I was created three tables. One is employee and DEPT and salary grade. Let me drop tables. Okay, tables were dropped, and again I am trying to create the same tables, employee and insert script, along with the department and insert script. Next, salary grade and insert script. Okay, next. Let me see the data using select query. Yeah, select to start from employee, employee number, employee name, job, and manager, hire date, salary, commission, and department. Next, department table, department number, department name, and location. Next, salary grade, grade, and low salary and high salary based on the grade. Okay, next we'll start with the basic SQL functions. Okay, select to start from table name, order by salary. Here you can see salary field. I am trying to do the order on salary field. If I use normal order by salary default, it will consider as ascending order. You can see here 800, 900, small to big. That means low to high value. If I use same with the DESC, select start from table name, order by salary DESC. You can see here highest value will be at the top and lowest value will be the bottom. So yeah, if you don't use anything default, it will consider as ascending order. Next, select top to start from employee order by salary DESC. If I try to execute this, yeah, here you can see 5,000 and 3,000 top two records. So same query will not be work in Oracle. In Oracle, the query will be row name. Okay, but in SQL Server, this is top two. In Oracle, in where condition we should have to use row name less than or equal to 2. Okay, next, yeah, these all are some kind of the operations like equal to and non-equal to and some relational operators. Here you can see what I am trying to do. Select to start from table name where salary equal to 5,000. What it will do, it will fetch salary equal to 5,000 record. You can see here. Next, this is not equal to. You can use both, any one of this. This is not equal to. You can see in among all you don't find any 5,000 related record because it's not equal to query. Next, here also this is not equal to. You can use any symbol. Both will be support. Next, greater than and greater than are equal to, less than and less than are equal to, you can use. Yeah, 5,000 is the highest record. That's why you can see here. Next to less than. Except 5,000, remaining records will come here. Next, yeah, in in means we can use multiple filter conditions in the sense we can filter multiple records in condition. Equal to, we can filter only one record, but here in we can filter multiple records. So you can see here in employee table we have two 3,000 records and one 5,000 records. Next, if I am using not in, automatically it will exclude 5,000, 3,000. Rest of the remaining records will come. Okay, next, commission. If you see the table commission field, we have null values. for example, yeah, this is the entire table. You can see commission fields, we have null values. Okay, if I am trying to apply null on commission field, you can see here all null values will be displayed. Similarly, not null values will be displayed here. Okay, next, like operator. Yeah, what this will do means, if I am trying to run this query, the record which is start with j and rest of the remaining value will be anything. So you can see here among all the records, whatever the records start with j, next will be the percentile. Next, the next one will be the record will be end with n. You can see here percentile n symbol. Let me try to run this. Here you can see record value will be end with n. The starting, that means prefix will be anything. Okay, this is the prefix value. I mean, if we are using in first level, we can consider as prefix. If we are using last level, that means at last end, we can consider as a suffix. Okay, next, what this will do means, record start with j, next letter will be the a, after that it will be the anything. Let me run this. You can see it will start with j, next letter will be the a, after that anything. Okay, yeah, this is the like operator. Next, between and. So one of the range searching operator always use low to high only. For example, 2000 is the lowest value and 5000 is the highest value. You can see here values between 2000 to 5000, salary range between 2000 to 5000. Reverse will not be work here. For example, yeah, here you can see highest to lowest will not work here. Okay, next, distinct. What distinct keyword will do means, it will provide the unique records only. We have job field. Under the job field, these all are the different records under the job field. So these records are unique records. Next, we have department number. You can see here department number. These all are the unique records. Does not contain duplicate values. Distinct will provide unique records only. Okay, next, group functions. In SQL, we have different types of group functions. Here you can see sum, max, min, average, and count. Here you can see, let me try. Okay, this is the alias name. You can use as keyword or else you can give the space. Everything will be, I mean, both will be accepted in this case. Okay, this is sum of the salary. Next, maximum salary, minimum salary, average salary, and row count. Let me run table, select star from table name. You can see here we have 14 records. Yeah, here also you can see count of salary. We have 14 records. Next, yeah, where we will use this group functions or aggregative functions. Let me show you with an example. Yeah, in this query, what I'm trying to do, in each department level, what is the maximum salary I'm trying to fetch? Here you can see. Yeah, in department 10, no, maximum salary is the 5000. Next, in department 20, max salary is the 3000. Let me verify. Let me cross check here. In department 10, no, what is the maximum salary? 5000. Let me run this query. Yeah, in department 10, we have three records. Among three records, 5000 is the maximum salary. Next, in department 20, yeah, let me run this query again. In department 20, 3000 is the maximum salary. Let me verify by using this. Okay, in department 20, maximum is the 3000. We have two records. So anyway, 3000 is the maximum salary. So this aggregative functions will be used for analytical, I mean for further analysis, any data analysis related purpose. Each department who is having the highest salary, such kind of use case, we will use this group functions or aggregative functions. Okay. Next, string functions or character functions. SQL support lot of string functions. So here I am providing some basic examples. Concat. What concat will do? It will club two strings and will the end results. Here you can see it will concat the concatenating of two individual values. Okay. Next, len. What length function will do? It will print length of the specific value what we have given. You can see here length of hello. Yeah, 5. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see here string won't consider. Okay, whatever the value you are placing in the string, that will be consider only. Next, upper. What it will be doing here? Yeah, it will convert from lower to upper. Next, upper to lower. Okay. Next, replace. What replace function will do? You can see here hello world. World will be replaced with SQL. It will be replacing. Okay. Next, substring. What substring will do? You can see here it will print the substring. It will start with the first letter and later you can see how many string letters you want to print. 4 I have given. Okay, here 1 2 3 4, 4 letters you can see here. Next, left, right, it will print substring. You can see left, the left of length 5, only 5 letters. Next, if I use right, right 5 letters world. Next, trim. What trim will do? It will trim both side. You can see here I have given space, leading and trial in both places. I have applied a trim. Okay, this is the end results. You can see now reverse. What reverse will do? It will reverse the existing string what you have given. You can see here. Okay, these all are the different character or string functions. We have couple of functions also. You can explore about yourself. Okay, next, date functions. SQL supports lot of date functions. Some date functions I'm explaining here. You can see select get date. What it will do means it will print the system date. What is the system date means? What is the date currently your system is showing? The same date you can see here. This is the system date. So in SQL Server it is get date, but in Oracle it's a sys date. Okay. Next, here you can see day. Okay, today 4th. You can see here this is the day and month. This is July month. You can see 6. Next, year. It's a 2025. You can see we can fetch the respective information by using the specific functions, specific date functions. Next, format. You can select the specific format dd mm, and if you want to use timestamp also, timestamp data also will be print here, exact seconds including seconds. Okay. Next, conversions. We can use a cast function and convert function for converting data types. You can see mostly we are using cast functions only for converting one data types to another data type. Here you can see cast 26.65 as int. I'm trying to convert to int. You can see this is the float value. Now this is the int value. And here also you can see date time, including timestamp format also it's included. Next, convert the reverse. You can see int. And here also same. You can see reverse of the existing cast and convert. Okay. And some kind of the miscellaneous functions. Miscellaneous functions means you can understand while executing this query. Okay, here you can see uh, we know employee table. In employee table we have commission field. Okay, employee will get a commission. How the commission will be calculated, you can see here. I have executed. Here you can see this is the salary. Next commission. Okay, next if I am trying to add salary plus commission, you can see null value. Just remember guys, this is also one of the interview question. If you are trying to add any value with null value, the end result will be the null value. Just remember. Here you can see practically what I am trying to do. Here I am adding salary. Here commission I have null values. I should have to replace null values with some specific value. In this use case I am trying to replace with 0. Okay, the end results will be, you can see, salary plus commission. Commission will be replaced with 0. The end results will be 800. Next, if it is not null, then it will simple add. But if it is null, then the problem will occur. That is the reason I am using this isNull function. IsNull in SQL Server, but in Oracle it's a NVL. Okay, just I am trying to explain. All the functionalities will be the same, but some functions will be support, will not be support. That means in Oracle the function will be different, and in SQL Server function will be different. Same like in MS SQL function will be different, but the end results will be the same, just like this. Okay, instead of is null we can use collies also. Both will be giving the same results. You can see here collies also will be using the, I mean, will be giving the same results. Okay, these two are the miscellaneous functions. Handling the null values is the most important in data engineering or data analysis or whatever it is in machine learning also. Okay, next case statement. We can use case statements in two ways. I have explained here, you can see. So we have employee table, but we don't have any specific pay scale margin in the employee table. Let me run employee table one more time. Yeah, select to start from EMP. We have salary field and commission and department number and hire date, but we don't have any specific pay scale field. What I am trying to do, I am creating a new field by using the existing fields. You can see I am using the case statement. When salary is less than 1000, I am considering as low pay. Okay, based on salary field I am trying to restrict. uh, okay, here I am not restricting. Based on salary category I am trying to create the another pay scale field. Here salary is less than 1000, the pay scale will be the low. Next, salary between range 1000 to 3000, it's a medium. Next, salary is greater than 1000. Next, this is high. Let me try to execute. End is mandatory. Okay, for case statement, end is mandatory. You can see another new field added here. You can see pay scale based on salary field data. You can see here. Okay, that means raw data. It's a low or medium or high. Okay, this is first method. Next, if we have constant method, in previous, I mean in this method the value is changing, salary value is changing. This is one method. In second method, if you have any constant field, based on constant field you can derive. You can see here case department number. When department 10 it's accounting, when department 20 it's a research. You can see here. Let me try to execute same script. Yeah, you can see here. If it is 20 then it's a research. You can see it is 20, it's a research. Okay, yeah, this is the case statement. So that's all about this video guys. Thank you. and stay tuned for more content. Thank you very much.